In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable camera app on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then tap on Screen Time. Next, hit on Content and Privacy Restrictions and there hit on Allowed Apps. Here you can easily find camera app. Now it's enabled, so I can use my camera on that device. But if I want to disable that app, all I have to do is just hit at that switcher to toggle it off. So now if I go to my home screen here, I can't find camera app anymore on my home screens, and even at app library I can search for camera here, but I can't find that app anymore. All I have to do to enable it is to go back here and then hit at that switcher. Now I can go to my app library, then type in camera, and here it is. Now I can hold down that icon and then move it somewhere on my home screen and then hit done. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.